Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Today is a fantastic day. I'm really excited because after about 3 months in Bombay without actually leaving the city, without being able to go out and travel and explore, the family and I are finally heading out and heading to Lonavala for a little staycation for 2 days. The place that we're going to is a fantastic resort. Stay tuned, watch the entire vlog and you're going to see exactly where we're going. And we're finally going to be traveling on this channel and I'm going to be taking you guys with me. But yeah, quick note, I'm currently filming this on the GoPro Hero 9 Black and the reason for that is because all my microphones, my mirrorless camera and my moment lenses, everything is packed up. So the travel part of this entire vlog is going to be shot on the GoPro Hero 9 Black, and once we get to our destination, we'll shift to the bigger setup with the mirrorless camera. So I want you guys to look at the image quality and actually tell me, can you see a difference? Traffic never improves. So as you guys saw, we just stopped off at McDonald's on the highway to have a mandatory lunch break. It's a standard pit stop every time you're traveling by road. If you guys are concerned about COVID, I have a special message for you.
Hi guys, it's very nice to stop at McDonald's here. They've maintained all the social distancing for people like us in our mid-50s, and sanitizing and everything is just perfect, and hot and good meals.
You heard it from my parents itself. They have maintained social distancing. The sanitization was on point. Overall, great pit stop. So now we're going to get back into the journey and get onto the expressway and let's do this. So we are finally on the expressway and I'm going to show you the travel crew for today. This is my mom and my dad. Guys,
hi.
Hola, tudo bem?
Alright, so this is the crew for today. We're going to be reaching Lonavala in just about an hour. Let's get back into the journey. I hope you enjoy this. So we just reached Della Resorts and did our formal check-in. We're being taken to the campsite right now. We're currently walking down towards our camp room. We have Della staff that escorted us from the reception in a car, got us all the way here towards the camp area. As you can see, that is what the rooms look like and it looks pretty amazing. I have not been to a place like this in India till date and really excited to be here. I can't wait to pull out my camera and actually start shooting pictures of this place because it is so beautiful, guys. This is Rahul. He took care of us really well and he got us this amazing room. If you come to Della, definitely contact him. Okay, so we've just entered the room and it is mind-blowing. I'm going to give you a tour around the area, but we're going to be switching cameras now because indoors the GoPro just seems to struggle a little too much. So let's get into that. Okay guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today we are at the Della Resorts. The Della Resorts are basically a group of 6 resorts at the Sahyadri mountain of Khandala. Della is a group that has a bunch of different resorts with different experiences to go with them. You have a military-based glamping resort, the luxury camp resort that we are in right now. You have the villa resort, which is only villas, and you have 3 more different kinds of resorts, which I'm going to be putting up on the screen for you guys to see. So the family and I decided to take a short trip, drive down in our car to Della. We've taken all our precautions for COVID. So we finally entered the room and I've just checked in. Della has an entire adventure park here with 50 different activities such as archery, dog walks, horse riding, a whole bunch of stuff. So we're going to go to the park tomorrow, but not everything in the park is fully functional and open because of COVID. They're taking their precautions Precautions. We're going to check it out. For now, we're going to get into the room tour and I want to show you this amazing luxury tent that we've just gotten into. As you can see, this is the entrance. We have the TV right here, a little mini bar which we've already stocked up. Let's take a look at it. We just ran through an entire sanitization drill. Over here, you have a little bit of viewpoint, which basically gives you a view of the entire entrance zone, and that is where our pickup car comes. So basically, every time you enter Della, you leave your car at the reception and then they'll transfer you to a transport. It's a facility that they give you. Because this property is like 50 acres big and all 6 resorts are placed around these 50 acres, including the adventure park. So they will drive you down to the particular resort that you have booked at. The bed is amazing. I'm gonna get an extra bed laid out for me right there. And now for a quick washroom tour. This is the washroom and that is me. As you can see, I am now vlogging on the Canon M50 with the Rode microphone system. You have wooden flooring all around. Okay, I have to admit, for me, one of the best parts of this resort is the fact that I have this amazing sit out here. Next, I'm going to show you the camping deck, which I'm a big fan of. So let's go check it out. As you guys already saw, the camping deck is truly fantastic. It's beautiful. I spent a little bit of time there just kicking back and getting a coffee right now. I'm gonna go for a walk and explore the place. Overall, we are on the campsite, so there's not a lot of space that you can go on your own.
Tree very pretty and the lemon on the tree.
So we just saw a lemon tree and my dad got really excited about it. Like I said, we're taking a small walk around the area just to explore. I'm using the 360 camera right now so that I don't really have to spend too much of time framing for you guys. Just come along with me. As you can see, we have the camps on the left side. They're all stacked up next to each other. Our camp is the one right on top. It's the first camp that you guys can see. It's closest to the camp deck. The view on the right is basically a bunch of mountains.
That's sunset.
That is also known as the sunset point. That's what my dad just reminded me. We're gonna go there in the evening. I'm gonna get a time lapse for you guys. Dad, you know you have an interview with me on this channel tomorrow, right? Oh. Just so that you guys know, my dad is also a captain. He's just come back from sea, and we have a special seafarer based video coming up together because I know there are a lot of future seafarers who watch this channel. So stay tuned for that. That's gonna be a special vlog for you guys.
How come only this one has a fire extinguisher and the others don't have?
It's a good question. So we noticed that this particular camp has a fire extinguisher, but the other ones don't. Safety first. Seafarer's brain functions in the exact same way. So as you can see, it's basically like a hill. The camps start from the top of the hill and they come all the way down. And now when you come to these lower camps, it's pretty much flat. For us, we have a set of steps that go up. For these ones, you have a completely flat terrain. I think it's really well planned. I think that's the end of the camps. I think on this side is just basically... This side is basically the woods that head down the hill. Doesn't seem like there's much construction down there. It's amazing that you have something so beautiful close to Bombay and you have the luxury aspect involved in it as well. And it's breezy, yeah. It's really breezy. It's nice. It's a hot day. Little something you guys should know is that the Wi-Fi is not as strong here. If you guys are coming, expect really poor connectivity. I tried to upload a video to Instagram and it struggled like crazy. So you can imagine how weak the speed is. It is a hot day to be doing things like this. It definitely wasn't my mom's idea of a vacation, so she's chilling in her air-conditioned luxury camp right now while me and dad are out exploring. We're on the right side of the camp. The left side basically has a better view. You can see all those bungalows down there. Okay guys, it's been a hell of a day. It is around 7 p.m. over here at the moment. There was a bunch of crowd on the camp deck. A lot of people had come in here to enjoy the sunset. I managed to get it for you guys. So I'm gonna end this vlog right here with another time lapse. We're gonna get some dinner, kick back, enjoy the evening here at the Della resort with my family. Since we've been traveling all day, it's been really tiring, and since I'm here with my parents, enjoy the moment, soak it all up. Tomorrow though is going to be part 2 of the vlog, where we're going to be heading to the Della Adventure Resort. We're going to be going out and checking out all the activities that they have here, and that's going to be a whole other vlog. So stay tuned for that, and I'm going to catch you really soon. For now, this is Nitin Chawla. We are currently at the Della Adventure Resort campsite in Lonavala. These are luxury camps, and it's been fantastic so far. I hope you enjoyed the entire road trip, the travel video, and the introduction to this place. For more, check out the next video. Peace.